In this video, we're going to show you how you can hide posts from friends on Facebook. If this video helps, consider liking the video and subscribing. If you shared something on Facebook but don't want certain friends or really anyone at all to see it, here's how you can hide that post. Begin by opening up Facebook and then locating the post that you would like to edit. I'm going to do this by going to my profile. and then scrolling down until I find the specific post that I would like to edit. You can either hit the profile icon in the bottom right, menu, or tap the menu icon in the bottom right, and then tap your name to get to your profile. Once you find that exact post though, simply tap the three dots in the right corner of that post, and then select Edit Privacy just like so. Now you can choose only me to hide it from everyone, friends except to hide it from specific people, or specific friends to only show it to certain people. After choosing your option, simply go ahead and tap Done and then Save. And that's it, your post is now hidden from the people that you've selected. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe.